Divine Child of the Universe. This meditation is for you. Today I'm going to guide you from your crown all the way down to your root in a meditation that is both grounding and expansive. Find a comfortable position. Let your body settle back into the place where you are, the chair, the bed, the cushion beneath you, and take a deep breath in and a long, slow breath out. Imagine great white light above your head, a wide, luminous channel of light pouring gently down into the crown of your head. Simply allow yourself to feel the sensation and breathe. Bring your awareness to your third eye, the center of your forehead. Sense a soft purple glow here. Let the purple light connect with the white light from above. Feel the two merging, filling your whole brain with gentle radiance. Let your eyes soften in their sockets. Let your forehead smooth. Your mind can rest now. Breathe. Now feel the light begin to travel downward, moving into your neck. Here your throat chakra is shining blue. Let it relax. Let the blue light glow brightly and calmly. Breathe away any tightness. Let any holding release. As the light continues down your spine, it flows into your heart, the center of your being. Breathe into this space. Feel it expanding your chest, in and out. A beautiful soft green light radiates here. Feel the love here, the love you have for yourself, the love you have for others, the love that simply is. Rest in this love. Breathe in the expansion. In the space just below your heart is your solar plexus, your inner sun. See it shining golden yellow, strong, steady, supportive. Breathe in the powerful energy of your inner sun. Feel from your belly button upwards a warm, glowing sphere of power and love. This is your strength, your confidence, your inner fire. Breathe. And now the light keeps traveling down into your lower belly, your center of creation. Take a deep breath, so deep you feel it move into this space. Your sacral chakra, the source of humanity, glowing orange, warm, fluid, alive. Here is your creativity, your sensuality, your ability to create. Breathe here. And moving down into your root chakra. Feel your sit bones, the base of your pelvis. Feel the parts of you that are touching the surface below. Let this area glow red, warm, grounded, secure. Allow it to soften and feel supported. Breathe. Now imagine roots growing down from wherever your body meets the earth, from your feet, your legs, your pelvis. Let them grow down into the earth, the ever-giving, ever-nourishing earth. Feel yourself connecting, grounded, held, supported. You are part of this planet, divine child of the universe, glowing above, connected below. Breathe. Feel yourself here, now, Feel yourself grounded as your spine gently lengthens. Light flowing down from above. Earth connecting you from below. And breathe. And when you're ready, gently return. If this meditation supported you today, take a moment before you rush away. Notice how you feel. Notice what shifted. And if you'd like more space like this, gentle, grounding, expansive, you are very welcome here. You can subscribe to the channel so these meditations can find you when you need them. And if something in this touched you, I'd love to hear about it. You can share in the comments what you experienced. Divine child of the universe, take this with you into your day. You are supported. You are connected. You are the light. Thank you for being with me.